Welcome to day 6. You are standing on the edge of completing this journey. Your mind is quieter than it has been in years, your workspace is optimized, and your ability to focus has returned. You can finally see the finish line. But the finish line is a mirage. The biggest mistake people make during a detox is viewing it as a temporary prison sentence. They count down the days, waiting for the clock to strike 0, so they can immediately rush back to their old habits and gorge on the noise. If that is your plan, you haven't detoxed. You've simply paused your addiction. Today, we look past the finish line. Today, we map out the Dopamine Horizon. Over the last 6 days, a profound biological shift has occurred inside your nervous system. By removing the high-velocity spikes of cheap digital dopamine, your baseline has reset. Your brain's receptors have healed. Activities that felt like grueling chores last week, like reading a technical chapter, organizing a complex dataset, or simply sitting in silence with your thoughts, now feel completely natural. You don't need a massive artificial adrenaline hit to feel alive anymore. You have reclaimed the joy of a normal, high-functioning baseline. This clarity is your new unfair advantage. Do not throw it away for a handful of notifications. To live a normal life in the modern world, you do not need to delete your digital footprint and live in isolation forever. You simply need a bulletproof framework. Moving forward, you will govern your mind using the 80-20 rule of consumption. 80% of your waking hours must be dedicated to pure production, high-value long-form learning, and physical presence. The remaining 20% can be allocated to conscious, scheduled leisure. Entertainment is not the enemy. Mindless, automatic scrolling is. If you choose to check a feed or play a game, do it with absolute intent, within a hard time limit, and never let it bleed into your creation blocks as you prepare to step back into the world. Remember this: your attention is the most valuable currency on earth. Every app, every algorithm, and every flashing headline is a highly engineered trap designed to steal that currency from you for profit. Asterisk, you are the gatekeeper of your own mind. If you open the gates to everything, your focus will be looted. Guard the entrance to your attention with absolute ruthlessness. Treat your peace of mind as an unshakable fortress. You worked entirely too hard this week to let a screen hijack your life again. Your directive for day 6 is strategic. Before this day ends, write down your permanent post-detox rules of engagement. Define your exact screen time boundaries. Choose your daily deep work hours and commit to the 80-20 framework. Design your future before the old world tries to design it for you. Lock in your progress by leaving a Day 6 comment below to keep your incredible streak alive. Subscribe to protect your mental horizon, and I will see you tomorrow for the final day 7. The lifestyle shift. Stay focused.